Hey everyone, welcome back to Mark Lakin's channel. First, let's take a look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. If we draw a very simple chart structure, we can see that Ethereum is forming a descending triangle. We have a clear support line, while the highs keep getting lower. This is one of the main reasons why Ethereum has not grown as much during this cycle as many people expected. Let's take a look at what has been happening since 2025. We had a strong move up, followed by a relatively weak correction. Considering that volatility inside this larger triangle is getting lower and a breakout may be coming soon, I think there is a high chance of a strong move to the upside, where Ethereum could significantly outperform Bitcoin. And if we look at the Ethereum versus US dollar chart, I believe this is the most likely scenario. We have already talked about hype several times in previous videos. The pattern that has been working since the chart first started is still valid. For those watching my videos for the first time, let me quickly explain it. Near the previous all-time highs, the price moves sideways for some time. Then it drops down toward the trend line, and after that, it starts moving up again and makes new highs. As long as this pattern remains valid, I believe the $30 to $40 area is still an interesting zone for building a position. Next, let's talk about BNB, the token of the Binance exchange. In my opinion, Binance Coin is still one of the blue chip assets in the crypto market, and the pattern we are seeing in this cycle looks very similar to the previous growth cycle. Back then, from 2021 to 2024, Binance Coin held the $150 to $200 range, and after several tests, the price eventually started moving higher. Right now, a similar zone could be the $450 to $500 range. In my opinion, this could be a potentially good area for building a spot position. Now, let's talk about Dogecoin. At the moment, Dogecoin is the only meme coin that has managed to stay in the top 10 by market cap for several years. If the Clarity Act is passed, and we know that the decision has currently been pushed back to September, there could be a separate section for older meme coins. So, in my opinion, old and well-established meme coins with large market caps are not going anywhere. For now, I think the Dogecoin chart still looks pretty good as long as the price stays above the 2022 lows. Unfortunately, because of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, we have not seen a strong altcoin rally during this cycle. But if money printing starts again in the next cycle, I believe Dogecoin could make a new all-time high. And finally, let's talk about a dark horse that not many people are thinking about. I'm talking about Mantle, the token connected to the Bybit ecosystem. In the next cycle, I think we could see a growing trend toward tokens connected to projects that actually generate revenue. And who generates more money than centralized crypto exchanges, especially when we are talking about a major exchange like Bybit? At the moment, Mantle has already had a significant correction, and I believe starting to build a spot position through DCA could make sense. After all, if we look at the history of exchange tokens, many of them have delivered strong returns over a period of several years. My friends, if you want to trade, use my registration link for the Bitunix exchange. You will get excellent conditions for trading, 25% discount on trading commissions, and a welcome bonus for new users. The link is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I wish you all massive profits.